Hello. Today in this video we will learn how to email validation in jQuery. First go to VS Editor, write label for email and label tag close. Next open input, type text and ID is email. And one button ID equal to validate button and write validate email and button close. Next, one span tag for error message showing. Span tag open, ID equal to error message style equal to color red. Span tag close. Next, write jQuery for validate the email. Skip tag open and skip tag close. $document dot ready function dollar double quotation has copy the button ID validate btn or validate button dot click function write one variable for email dollar double quotation has email input ID is email, copy and paste here dot value or val semicolon. Now write regular expression for email where email regular expression equal to square bracket copy this variable and pass here dot test email dollar double quotation has error message or copy the span ID, copy and paste here dot text write valid email address semicolon, dollar, double quotation, paste the span id, error message, dot css, double quotation, color, comma, double quotation, green, semicolon, save. Next, else, copy these two lines and paste here, email address not valid, and color is red, and save. Semicolon here, and here the semicolon and save. Go to browser and reload the page. Invalid, click the validate email, then email address is not valid, gmail.com, and click the validate email, then valid email address, and here remove the and place the in the first, and valid email address, click email address is not valid, and here the and click the validate email, and email address is not valid. Remove this one, 1 2 3, and valid email address is valid. Thank you.